Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. Adopting unique features such as LED lights and digital meters, the 2018 Honda Monkey 125 concept explores the new appeal of the Honda Monkey model. The 2018 Monkey has a lovely two-tone color scheme straight out of the 1970s. These retro colors work well on the bike, with the chrome details seen on the headlight and tail light assembly, exhaust heat shield, turn signal indicators and instrument cluster. Powering the Monkey is a 125cc air-cooled, SOC, single-cylinder engine that makes 9.3 horsepower and 10.9 Newton-meters of torque, which is a big step up from the original bike's 49cc motor. Honda is claiming a fuel efficiency figure of 80 kpl on the mini bike thanks to its fuel injection system. Styling, paint and chromed parts draw heavily on the original steel frame, USD forks, twin rear shocks and 12-inch diameter tires. Wet weight of 235 pounds, 107 kilograms, with wheelbase of 45.5 inches, 1,155 millimeters, and 30.5 inches seat height, 776 millimeters. All lighting is premium LED.